Friends, see what a nice rooting. Beautiful roots from the internodal region of this cutting. You can see this is from the lime cutting. If you grow lime cutting or lemon cutting, and this method is beautiful. Welcome friends. Today I'll be showing you how to take cuttings of lime or lemon or any kind of citrus plant. If you want to take cuttings, this is the easiest method. Many people find it difficult to grow it through air layering method. Air layering method is quite difficult, but if you take this method, if you grow this method from this cutting, you will get 100% success in every cuttings, and everyone can do it. Just follow my instructions. I'll show you how to take cuttings of lime plant. Just see, this is the stem. This is the semi hard stem. You can see this is some slightly brownish, some greenish stem. This is around 1 centimeter thick. Or if you want, you can take some greenish stem also, around 8 millimeter or 10 millimeter or 6 millimeter stem will do, and take cuttings with sharp C cutters. Sharp C cutter is needed because if you grow it from through sharp cuttings, the roots will grow nicely. Then I am taking another stem here. You see, this is the another stem I am taking cutting, and this is some blunt cutting here. I will take some sharp cutting from here, and I will make it into pieces of around 5 to 6 to 8 inches, and the thinner branches I will remove from the sides. Thinner branches, these the thinner branches and leaves I am removing, so that the no transpiration can occur, and cutting it into two pieces. This is, and maintain the polarity. Upper side should be at the upper end and the lower side should be at the lower end, because the routing for polarity is very essential. Now I am removing the lower portion and taking cutting around 6 inch or 8 inch length is enough, and I have prepared some of this cutting here. Now I'll show you how to grow them in river sand. White river sand is the best, or any kind of river sand will do. Before that, you have to collect some of these bottles, and here I am showing you, this is the 2 liters bottles, and this is the polarity. Upper side stem should look upwards and the spine should look upwards, so that this is the polarity of the stem. This we must maintain, and if you grow this and this upper portion, the roots will grow nicely. Now take around a 2-liter bottle. I am cutting into halves, two halves, and now make some pierce some holes at the bottom, so that the water can pass through it, and I am filling it up with some white river sand. If you don't have white river sand, you can use yellow river sand also, that will also do, but white river sand, the rooting is the best. And in this method, you don't have to apply any kind of rooting hormone powder or anything. You don't have to spend any single farthing, any single penny for this, and this is the easiest method, and you can try. And after filling up the sand here, I am piercing and pushing down the stems 2 inch down, around 2 inch down, and maintain the polarity. Upper side should be at the upper end, lower side should be at the lower end, and thinner branches also I am growing here. And please watch the entire video, and please subscribe my channel, and I will show you the results also. 100% successful result after filling it up. Then water it properly and fully, so that water can come out from the base or the bottom of these holes. And after that, water comes out, and then you have to cover with any kind of polythene sheet or any kind of this kinds of carry bag is here. Just see how I am covering it, and bind it with some strings, and then after binding it, keep it in semi-shade area for 3 to 4 days, and then you can keep it in 2 to 3 hours sunlight in any area. And if you want, if you see some dryness occurs, you can remove this upper cover, and then you can water again. And you have to do it very carefully. You don't move the stems. If the stem is moved, then rooting may not occur. So this is the method. And now let's see, 1 month back I have grown some cuttings. This method I am showing you the results. Welcome back friends. This is the 1 month back I have grown these cuttings here, and I'll show you reveal the results of these cuttings here. And this is the easiest method, and please like and subscribe my channel, so that channel grows, and this is the best gift for me. And now I am removing the upper sheet here, and you can see beautiful growing of this stem. In 1 month you can see every cuttings had grown, and I am removing the plastics and this carry bag in another pot, and this is I am removing very carefully, so that the cuttings do not move, do not touch, and if you move this cutting, roots may tear away. So this is the leaves, you can see this is the new branches are growing here, and now I am taking out from here. So just push it little bit, tap it slightly and gently, and after removal of this sand, I will show you the results of this rooting of this cutting. In lime cutting, lemon cutting, or any citrus, pomelo, or any kind of citrus, see what is rooting here. Beautiful rooting and beautiful stem. This is the nice cutting result of any kind of removing the lower side of cloths that was covered in this bottom holes, and this is the cutting, and you can see the results of this rooting here. And now I will be planting. Just watch the entire video. I will show you how to grow the cuttings in pots, and this is another result of this cutting, and I will show you the other stems also, how they are faring, how they are doing well. And now I am tapping it at the back side, so that I'll take out the cuttings from here, and I'll show you the results of these cuttings also. So if you follow this method, if you maintain this method, and I guarantee you, you can get 100% results. Maybe one or two may be damaged, but 100, almost 100% you can get the results, and there should be proper rooting in 1 month time, and you can see, and no rooting hormone required. See, beautiful rooting, and every cutting has grown into new plant. And I'll tell you, if you collect cuttings from any of the friends or relatives house or any of the parks, you can get the best variety of lemon plant or lime plant from it. This is very very thin plant, and you can see beautiful rooting here also. Now time to transplant it around a small pot. I'll take around 5-inch pot, and I'll grow this 5 to 6 months. After 5 to 6 months, I'll grow them in a 10-inch pot. Just see the results of beautiful growing of the rootings. And now another result, these are the all cuttings are grown. Now I take 5-inch pot, and I'll fill it up with 80% garden soil and 20% compost mixture. If you don't have compost, then you can grow in direct garden soil also. Fill up the pot properly, and after filling up the properly, and water it, and keep it in semi-shade area for a couple of days, maybe 1 week. And after 1 week, you keep it in full sunlight and water the plants every day, and there should be proper moisture in the cuttings, and the plants will grow, and within 1 year you will get fruits from here. I guarantee you, you can get fruits from here. And after putting this soil here, I am watering it properly, and I'll keep it in semi-shade area, and just watch, and please share this video. Everyone will be benefited from this nice video, and you'll enjoy the video, and you'll subscribe the channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I am going to give you a lot about the gardening tips and tricks and all, and this is the tip, and I am going to give you lots more. So thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.